Good morning students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to revise the 6th chapter trigonometry. Children, in last class you revised trigonometric ratios, isn't it? What are the trigonometric ratios? Say sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta, isn't it? Then what are the ratios? Say sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse, isn't it? Then cos theta is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Then tan theta is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Then cosecant theta is hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Then secant theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Cot theta is adjacent side divided by opposite side. You know very well, isn't it? Then what are the reciprocal trigonometric ratios? Okay. Then what are the reciprocal you say? Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Okay. Then cos theta is 1 by secant theta. Then tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Then cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Then cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. These are the reciprocals. Okay. Then what are the complementary angles? Then sin theta is equal to cos of 90 degree minus theta. Then cos theta is equal to sin of 90 degree minus theta. Then tan theta is equal to cot of 90 degree minus theta. Okay, cosecant theta is equal to secant 90 degree minus theta. Then secant theta is what? Cosecant here 90 degree minus theta. Then cot theta is equal to tan 90 degree minus theta. Okay, these are the formulas, ratios you must study. Okay, and with the help of these trigonometric ratios, have to continue remaining problems. Okay. So next question is example 6.4. If secant theta is equal to 13 divided by 5, then show that 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta is equal to 3. We have to bring. Okay. Then we have to take the left hand side or bring the answer 3. Okay. Then one condition is, one ratio is here given. Secant theta is equal to 13 divided by 5. Okay. Then what's the ratio of secant theta? Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side, isn't it? So first we have to draw the right angle triangle. Okay, we have to draw the right angle triangle. Shall we take this one? A, B, C. Okay. Then here this is the perpendicular 90 degree it will come. This is the right angle. Okay, 90 degree. Okay. Then here I am taking theta. This angle is which one? B is the angle. Okay. This angle I am taking theta. Okay. Why means here secant theta is given. Angle is theta. Okay. Then this theta opposite side is called what? Opposite side. Okay. Where's the angle? This angle opposite side is called opposite side. Okay. So we have to write this on opposite side. Okay. Opposite side. Then theta nearest side is called adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay. Then where's the 90 degree? Where's the right angle? A, isn't it? This A opposite side is called what? Hypotenuse. Okay, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Understand? Then we know here we have to take, let here AB we don't know, isn't it? Then secant theta is equal to secant theta is equal to what's the ratio? Then hypotenuse divided by what? Adjacent side. Okay, which is the hypotenuse? Here this is what is given, 13 divided by 5, isn't it? Which is the hypotenuse here? This one, isn't it? Here we have to write 13. Then divided by adjacent side. What is given? Adjacent side 5. Okay. This opposite side we don't know. So first we have to find this opposite side. Okay. Then first we have to take let AB is equal to what? 5. AB is equal to 5. Then BC also we know. BC is equal to 13. Have you understood? Then this is the right angle triangle. Then how we can find this opposite side? By the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem you know, isn't it? Then by Pythagoras theorem. To say the Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Or hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay. Here, which is the hypotenuse? BC is the hypotenuse. So, what we can write? BC square is equal to AB square plus what? AC square. Have you understood? But AC value only we know, we need, isn't it? So what we can write? Therefore, AC square is equal to BC square minus AB square. Am I correct? This AB square we have to bring this side, then minus AB square we will get. Okay? Then we need AC, isn't it? Therefore, AC is equal to square root of BC square minus AB square. Am I correct? Then BC, what's the value of BC? What's the value of BC? 13. 13 square minus AB square is 5 square. Okay. Then 13 square is square root of 169 minus 5 square is 5 into 5, 25. Then equal to square root of 169 minus 25 is 144. Am I correct? Then 144. What's the square of square root of 144? This one we can written as what? 12 into 12. Isn't it? 12 12s are 144 it will come. Therefore, this one what we can write? 12 square we can write. Isn't it? This 2 and this square root we can cancel. Then 12. AC is equal to, now we got 12. Have you understood? AC is equal to 12. Then, so one by one we have to find the ratios. Here we need sin theta. Okay, 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta. Sin theta and cos theta we need, isn't it? So, first we have to find sin theta. Okay. Sin theta is equal to what's the ratio? Same. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Which is the opposite side here? AC. Okay. Divided by, which is the hypotenuse here? BC. Am I correct? AC, what's the value of AC? 12. BC is 13. Am I correct? Then, like that we have to find or cos theta, isn't it? Therefore, cos theta is equal to, what's the ratio of cos theta? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, isn't it? Which is the hypotenuse? 13, isn't it? Which is the adjacent side? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That means AB divided by BC. Correct? Then equal to what is AB? AB is 5. Then BC is 13. Correct? Then here what's the question? 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta. First we have to take the left hand side. Okay, left hand side you should take it. All the values substitute here. Then we have to bring the answer 3. Okay. Here left hand side what is given? Sin theta, 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta is equal to, okay, then 2 into, what is sin theta? Here already we find sin theta is 12 by 13, isn't it? Then here 12 divided by 13, we have to substitute. Okay, this minus we have to write here. Then afterwards 3 is there. This 3 into, then cos theta is what already we find, isn't it? 5 divided by 13, isn't it? That value we have to substitute here. 5 divided by 5 by 13. Am I correct? 5 by 13. Okay, then divided by, okay, then 4 into sin theta is 12 divided by 13 minus 9 into cos value is, cos theta is what? 5 divided by 13. Am I correct? Then equal to, here we have to multiply this to 2 into 12 is 24, isn't it? 24 divided by 13 minus this to multiply 15 divided by 13, the whole divided by this to multiply 4 12s are 48, isn't it? 48 divided by 13 minus 9 5s are 45, isn't it? 45 divided by 13. Am I correct? Then equal to, here this is a fraction, isn't it? Numerator both also fraction. So what's the LCM? Numerator LCM is 13. So common LCM is 13. 24 minus 15. Okay, the whole divided by, here also what's the LCM? Here 13 is there. Here also 13, isn't it? 13 is the LCM. Then 48 minus 45. Okay, then equal to this to subtract. Okay, 24 minus 15 is what? 9, isn't it? 9 divided by 13. The whole divided by 48 minus 45 is 3, isn't it? 3 divided by 13. Okay, then take the reciprocal. What's the reciprocal here? 9 divided by 13. Denominator, take the reciprocal and you should multiply. Okay, then numerator value like that you should write it. Denominator, take the reciprocal and multiply. Okay, the reciprocal means this 13 it will come numerator, 3 it will come denominator. Okay, this 113 is 13. Here also we can cancel this 2. 1 3 is 3. Here 3 3s are what? 9. Okay, then equal to 3. Have understood? Then left hand side we took the question. Then what's the answer we got? Right hand side we got the answer. Have understood? Therefore what we can write? Therefore 2 sin theta minus 3 cos theta divided by 4 sin theta minus 9 cos theta is equal to 3. Hence we got the answer. Have understood? Any doubt? Next, shall we revise exercise 6.1 second sum? From the given figure, find the values of sin B, secant B, cot B, cos C, tan C, cosecant C. Have understood? One diagram is given here. Then with the help of this diagram, we have to find all ratios. Have understood? First we have to find sin B. Sin B. Which is the angle here? B is the angle, isn't it? B is the angle. So here this is the angle means, then which is the opposite side? AD is the opposite side. Opposite side value not given. Have understood? Then like that, here we have to find cos t is cos C, isn't it? Cos C we need. So cos theta is equal to what's the ratio? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse, isn't it? But here hypotenuse is not given. This is the angle means, then this is the adjacent side, but hypotenuse is not given. Have you understood? So first we have to find AD value and the AC value first we have to find. Then only we can find all remaining all ratios we can find. Shall we find first? First we have to take this triangle. Okay, ABD, which is the 90 degree, this one 90 degrees, isn't it? Okay, 90 degree, this is 90 degree means then which is the hypotenuse? 90 degree opposite side is called what? Hypotenuse. Okay, this is the hypotenuse. Okay, then here this is the angle means, this is an angle means which is the opposite side, this is the opposite side. Okay, have understood? This is the opposite side. Then this one B, angle B, which is the adjacent side, this is on adjacent side. Have understood? Like that only C also we have to find. Okay, then first BD value you want to find, isn't it? So here what's by Pythagoras theorem we can find. Okay, and then Pythagoras theorem same, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. Am I correct? First we have to write AB square. This triangle in right triangle, in right triangle, which one? A, D, B. Okay, this triangle we have to take, which is the hypotenuse. Then AB is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. That means AD square plus BD square. Okay. Then we want to find out which one? AD square we need. AD value we need, isn't it? So then AD first we have to write. Then AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. Okay. Therefore AD is equal to square root of AB square minus BD square. Okay. Then equal to square root of AB, what's the value? Then 13. 13 square minus BD is 5 square. Then equal to, then square root of 169 minus 25. Okay. Then equal to square root of 144 is equal to what? 12 we will get, like last question. Correct? Then afterwards we have to take this triangle. In right triangle, which one? ADC. This triangle we have to take. This is the hypotenuse, isn't it? This hypotenuse only we want to find. So how we can find? By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. Okay. Therefore AC is equal to square root of, AC only you want to find, isn't it? Square root of AD square plus DC square. Am I correct? Then is equal to square root of AD. AD what's the value? Already now we find, isn't it? 12 square. Then plus DC. DC is what's the value is given? 16 square. Then equal to square root of 12 square is 144 plus 16 square is 256. Okay. Then equal to both also added. What we will get? 0. Then here also 0. Then 4, isn't it? Then equal to square root of, here this one how we can write? 400 is 2 into 2 2 into 2 into 10 into 10 we can write. Am I correct? Then equal to 1, 2 we have to take outside. Then 10 also we can take outside. Have you understood? Then square root. Do you know square root? Okay. Then inside the square root 2 number 7 means 1 we can take outside, isn't it? Then like that we got 20. Am I correct? AC. What's the value we got? 20. Here I have to write 20. Okay. Then 80 what's the value? 12. 12 we have to write here. Okay. Here what is given? What's the question? Trigonometric ratios sin B. First we have to find sin B. Okay. Sin B is equal to, say the ratio, sin theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay. Then which is the opposite side here? Opposite side. We have to write here opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay. Which is the opposite side here? 12. Isn't it? Divided by hypotenuse is 13. Am I correct? Then second one. Second one, what's the question? Secant B. Okay, secant B is equal to, what's the formula? Secant B is, secant theta is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay. Then otherwise 1 by cos theta. Okay, that formula we keep in our mind. Okay. Take the reciprocal means you will get what? Hypotenuse divided by adjacent side you will get. Okay. Which is the hypotenuse here? Secant B. This is angle is B. Okay. Then angle B. And B means then 90 degree opposite side is called what? Hypotenuse. Isn't it? Which is the hypotenuse here? 13. Okay. Divided by adjacent side is 5. Adjacent side 5. Have you understood? Then third one. Cot B. Cot B. Cot B is equal to, what's the formula? Same. Tan B is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Like that, cot B means just opposite. Okay. Adjacent side divided by opposite side. Okay. That means opposite side. Okay. Then adjacent side, what's the value of adjacent side here? Adjacent side is 5, isn't it? 5 divided by opposite side is 12. Am I correct? Have you understood? This one, cot B. Next, fourth one, cos C. Okay, cos C is, cos theta is, what's the ratio? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. Okay, then equal to here cos C, isn't it? Cos C. So what we can write here? This C is an angle. Okay, C is an angle. Then adjacent side is DC. Okay, adjacent side what is given? 16. Divided by hypotenuse is, and then this 90 degree opposite side is called what? Hypotenuse, isn't it? Then angle C, this is an angle C means the hypotenuse is this one. AC is the hypotenuse. So here divided by 20. Okay. Then equal to this one, this two we can cancel, isn't it? Then how we can cancel this one? Which table? Here 16, here 20 is the fourth table we can cancel it, isn't it? 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are what? 20. 4 divided by 5. Am I correct? Then fifth one, tan C. Tan theta is equal to, what's the ratio? Say opposite side divided by opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. Am I correct? Then equal to, which is the opposite side? Here tan C is there, isn't it? So tan C, this is an angle means, then C is an angle, then which is the opposite side? This AD is the opposite side. Therefore, AD what's the value is given? 12, isn't it? 12 divided by, which is the adjacent side? 16. 16 is the adjacent side. Okay. Then this one we can cancel, isn't it? 12 divided by 16. And then how many 4s are here? Then 3 4s, 4 3s are what? 12, isn't it? 4 4s are 16. Therefore, what we can write? 3 divided by 4. Am I correct? Then sixth one. Sixth one what is given? Cosecant C. Okay. Cosecant C is equal to, what's the ratio? Hypotenuse divided by what? Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. And that means, suppose you don't know means, that how can you find this one? Cosecant C is equal to 1 by sin C. Okay, 1 by sin C. Sin theta you know, isn't it? Opposite side divided by what? Hypotenuse, isn't it? Just opposite, and opposite value only here we will get. Okay, that means the hypotenuse divided by what? Opposite side. Opposite side. Okay, which is the hypotenuse here? Cosecant C means C, and then hypotenuse is 20 divided by, then opposite side is 12. Am I correct? And this will cancel. Okay, cancel means what's the value? You will get a fourth table, we can cancel, isn't it? Here 5 we will get, here 3 we will get, isn't it? Then 5 divided by 3 is the answer. 5 divided by 3 is the ratio. Okay, then find the value of this 6 questions we find. Okay, if you have any doubt, then once again you check it this one. Okay, first we have to find, then missing side you should find out. Okay, then afterwards then write it ratios. All ratios you should write it. Okay, then according to that, which angle they asked, that angle, opposite side, and then hypotenuse, adjacent side, everything you should write it, and then to find the ratios. Okay. Then third question you can do. Just I will start this one, and then 2 cos theta. What is given? 2 cos theta is equal to root 3 is given. Then find all the trigonometric ratios of angle theta. Okay. Then all the trigonometric ratios you find out. Okay, then you find out sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta, everything you should find. Okay, here one ratio is given. Cos theta is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Okay, first you draw the right angle triangle. Okay, this one A, B, C means, then suppose this is an angle. C is an angle means, then which is the opposite side? This is opposite side. Okay, then and then this is the adjacent side. Okay, this is not hypotenuse. Okay, then cos theta is, what's the ratio? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Which is the adjacent side here? What's the value is given? Adjacent side is root 3. Okay, then which is the hypotenuse? 2 is the hypotenuse. Have you understood? 2 is the hypotenuse. Any doubt? Then afterwards you find out this AB. AB value you should find out. Okay. Then can you do homework this one? You complete this one. Okay. And then first by Pythagoras theorem, AB value find out. AB is equal to square root of AC square minus BC square you will get. Okay. And then BC square. From there you find out AB value. Okay, AB value you should find out. Then all trigonometric ratios you find out. Okay, this is on for your assignment. Okay, then you complete this question. Next, fifth sum. You see, if cos A is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus x square, then find the value of sin A and tan A in terms of x. Okay, in terms of x you find out. Have you understood the question? Cos A is equal to then 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Isn't it? Then cos theta is equal to what's the ratio? Say adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Isn't it? Then first we have to draw the right angle triangle. Okay, this A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C you should take it. Here angle is this one. Okay, angle A. Okay, then cos A is equal to what's the ratio? Opposite side then adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. This one 90 degree. 90 degree opposite side is called what? Hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse. Then angle A means then and this angle A opposite side is called what? Opposite side. Okay, this is opposite side. Opposite side. Okay, this angle nearest side is called adjacent side. Okay, adjacent side. Have understood? So first we have to find here adjacent side divided by hypotenuse is given. Okay, adjacent side, which is the adjacent side here? 2x. Here 2x is the adjacent side. Here AB is the adjacent side. Here what is given? 2x. Okay, which is the hypotenuse? AC, isn't it? AC value what is given? 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. Here opposite side we don't know. Okay, from this right angle triangle BC value first we have to find. Okay, then only remaining we can find. Have you understood? Then solution. Here opposite side hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides, isn't it? By Pythagoras theorem what we can write? Then in a right angle triangle the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So that means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. BC value only we want to find, isn't it? Therefore BC square is equal to AC square minus AB square. Okay, therefore BC is equal to square root of AC square minus AB square. Okay, then equal to square root of AC what's the value? 1 plus, say 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square the whole square. Okay, then minus, here AB is 2x, isn't it? 2x the whole square. Okay, correct? Then this is of the form A plus B the whole square. Okay, A plus B the whole square. Then A plus B, what's the formula? A plus B the whole square is equal to, what's the formula? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, correct? Then equal to, you say this one square root of 1 square. 1 square means 1 plus 2 into A into B. That means 2 into, otherwise one method we can do this one, 1 plus x square the whole square minus 2x the whole square, isn't it? This is of the form, which form we can write? A square minus B square form also we can do. Okay, A plus B the whole square form only easy for you. Okay, then this one how we can write? 2 into 1 into x square. Okay, 2 into 1 into x square. 2 into 1 is 2 into x square. Okay, then x square the whole square. That means what? X power 4. Okay, minus 2 square means what? 4, isn't it? 4 x square. 4x square. Okay, correct? Equal to square root of, this is how we can write? 1. This 2 subtract. 2x square minus 4x square is minus 2x square. Big number minus small number, big number sign. Okay. Then plus x power 4. X power 4, how we can write? X square the whole square. Shall we write like this? X square the whole square. Okay. So this is of the form. How we can write this one? 1 minus x square the whole square. Shall we write? This expansion only, this one it will come. You say 1 square 1 minus 2 into x square plus 1 x square the whole square. That means then x power 4. Have you understood? Then here BC is equal to we can written as like this, isn't it? BC is equal to square root of 1 minus x square the whole square. This square and this square root we can cancel. Then remaining what it will come? 1 minus x square. Okay. BC what's the value we got? 1 minus x square. Have understood? Then next we want to find the value of sin A. Find the value of sin A. Sin A is equal to, what's the ratio you say? Sin A is opposite side divided by opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Then what is opposite side here? Opposite side is 1 minus x square divided by hypotenuse is 1 plus x square. Am I correct? Then next one, tan A. Okay, tan A value also you should find out. Before cos A value also you should write it. Cos A is here given, isn't it? Cos A is equal to what? Adjacent side divided by adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. Then 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay, correct? This one given. Okay. Given this one. Then afterwards the sin A value we find. Then afterwards the tan A value also you should find out. Okay. Tan A is equal to, what's the ratio say? Opposite side divided by opposite side divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay, which is the opposite side here? Then 1 minus x square divided by, which is the adjacent side? 2x. Which is the adjacent side? 2x is the adjacent side. Okay. Then what's the question? Find the values of sin A and tan A in terms of x. In terms of x only we got the answer. Have you understood? The same model only, remaining sums also. Should practice remaining sums. Okay. Suppose in this question A, B, C, like that if you take means which is the angle here it will come. Okay, that's the difference. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.